Hey, I'm Fish. I'm filming today with the Insta360 X5. Now I got the actual front of the camera with the screen that you look at facing to the sky. Should I basically rotate it like this where it's facing to the right or the left sideways? Would it make a bit of a difference? Is my helmet GPS on? I hit the go. Then I'm on version 1.12. I'm not on pure video mode, not needed. Sun is coming up on my left. Now if I want to edit 360 and 5.7 plus, all I need to do is go into 360 Studio, take off deep tracking and pick the shots I want. Well, it's looking at me. Hopefully it's looking at the body. I'm riding along, doing a good job, getting to where I need to be at. Gonna be a short bike ride. I'm fully extended 6 feet out. Looks pretty good to me if asked. Now you're gonna see any stitch lines? I don't think so. So that's just where we take the camera and we turn it this way, sideways. All right, we're gonna hit a little bump, so let me prepare myself. Hands off the handlebar. I'm going through the tunnel of Yellen, nice up and high. I'm going right over here to the pier. I got the sun, the camera like this, about 9, 10, the most. Is it in your eyes? Rotate around like so. Because when I do single mode, it gets into the lens. I'm not going to bother with doing what I want to do. Can't get the things I want to get. It is what it is. So you got lens flare? I don't know. Well, I'm holding this in like a smartphone. And I got the selfie stick, so I'm like just cupping my hands. It gives a nice balance. And I don't think it's the best way to hold a camera. But I'm not holding it landscape like this in 9x16. I made sure I changed that out. Oh man, what a beautiful day it is today. I got my project on the camera. Well, today I shot the Insta360 X5 beginning, and now I'm gonna finish it off with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. I think I am gonna go meet up with Joe today. Take care of some beeswax, get it all done. I can't be sitting around and waiting anymore. Pick of the litter, man, and the litter has been picked. I guess that's the way it is. Well, let me get my helmet back on. My helmet is stuck in 6.1 miles per hour. I'm not sure if it even works anymore the way it's supposed to. Electronics are funny. I should have rode down and watched maybe later. And I'm heading back. I had my exercise. I think I had a little too much exercise, and that's why I'm having a short ride. Take it easy. Take a slow ride. Take it easy. Man, I know the song. I just can't spit it out in words. Well, before I go, I got answered from the company of the friction drive e-bike conversion kit. Don't fit this bike. So yeah, e-switchy. I think I'll be looking into them. We'll just keep on researching. until I see what I want to see. And on that note, I'm Fish. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Help the algorithm of this channel get back up on top. And on that note, if you'd like to see something, share something, let me know. Sometimes details helps out. And what you're pointing at. I can't get it when, how do you record? I don't know how I'm supposed to answer on that question. On that note, have a great day.